Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media button next to the whiteboard option. At the Facebook section, you can find the Facebook post option and just tap on it. And here you have more options, and you can upload pictures and or select pictures from your gallery on your device, and you can add elements, for example stickers, photos, videos, audios, and more elements. And in the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. New this template, you can edit the style of the template, and you can change the colors, the pictures, and you can edit the text. Just click that and write your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.